everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I do videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. I said, you all, I am here to share a bag review. Okay, here to see what bag Miss Tamika is here to review. Then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here bag review. And I am carrying my Louis Vuitton Odeon PM, you all. When I tell you I love this here particular bag. They do come in two different sizes. Again, this here is the PM, and it also comes in the MM size. It's like the perfect crossbody bag for myself. Like, I felt like the MM would have been way too big for my body front. So like I said, I ended up with the PM. And keep in mind, this strap does not come with the bag. I did purchase this strap separately off of Amazon. This here bag does come with a bag. It comes with a crossbody strap, and y'all, I don't know, I like this bag as a shoulder bag more so a crossbody. Ever since I got the bag, ever since I got this strap, I have been wearing it as a shoulder bag. But like I said, you can wear it as a crossbody. I do have the strap in the closet, but I don't know, I just like this as a handheld bag, you know, where you can wear it like so. I'll show you pictures. I will show you modeling shots at the end. So I decided to pull her out because I wanted something different. I wanted to wear something different. Here is the Louis Vuitton luggage tag, and this here comes on all of your Odeon PM bags. You also have a patch pocket here that has a so you have this here patch pocket here, which is a magnetic closure, and then you have this here opening, and it has two zippers. And y'all, I love these here Louis Vuitton zippers because they are made very well. Bottomless pit, very dark in here. You probably could add an organizer, but again, for me, I'm okay with not having an organizer. So really quick, my Gucci pouch. Let's see what's in the Gucci pouch. So in the Gucci pouch, I have my Hermes lip balm, and then I have my YSL lip balm. This one here, I may need to throw in my purse, because sometimes I don't be wanting to put on a lip gloss. I just want to put on like a lip balm. So yeah, I got that, and that's all that I have in here. Stuff out. I have my Tart Times Dunkin' Donuts keychain. I got that from Ulta because we don't sell it at Sephora. I have my Chanel card case. I have my e.l.f. lip balm. I have my car keys. I have my hand sanitizer. I think I got this from Five and Below. I have a hair clip for my hair. I have my Dollar Tree lip balm. Let me put some lips on. My Huda, what is it? I have my Huda lip gloss. They just came out with their lip gloss. My other Tart Times Dunkin'. This one here is the Dunkin' coffee cup. I have my setting spray I got from Dollar Tree. I have my gum, and then then if you don't know, this does have a patch pocket in the back. I do have my Chanel mirror. That's back when they came out with colors. What is this? Oh, this is something from the job. I can toss that. I don't need that. I have my cuticle oil I got from Dollar Tree. tag in my bags. This here is the Odeon PM. I'm gonna put that back. I have a return from Sephora, other Louis Vuitton little tag. What else I have in here? Oh, I have two. Let me see. Okay, so this is what I paid for this here Odeon PM. It was $19.20. So I paid that. I don't remember when I got it. I will have to look it up. But I'm just curious to see if this price is the same. Like I said, you see it is $19.20. I had to renew my membership, so I have that. Matter of fact, let me put that in my wallet right now. Okay. So we won't be losing her. Okay. Hard to get out in and out of my wallet. Let me see. Let me put her at the top because I know I won't go like that. So yeah, I have my Costco card in here. And so like I said, it is a black hole. Nothing is in here. Like I said, this bag has two zippers and they made really well, you all, like made really well. Usually carry it like so. And I just love this bag as a shoulder bag. Like I said, this hair strap does not come with the bag. It comes with a crossbody bag. And I don't know, for me, I like it, like I said, for me, I like it better as a shoulder bag. But I do have the strap just in case I do decide to carry as a crossbody. But like I said, when I carry her, this is how I carry her. And as you can see, the hardware is like almost the same as Louis Vuitton. So it's not like noticeably off, like it's not noticeable. Because when I wore this into the Louis Vuitton store, the lady was like, oh my gosh, that looks so cute. Because that's the day when I ordered that bum bag. I wore this into the store and I forgot that I had this on. I was just like, whatever. I mean, the bag is real. It's just that this is not. But this here is real leather, you all. Do have your corners that are protected with leather. No feet. But you do have your corners that are protected. And put everything back in here. So here's my Gucci pouch. You do have to watch how you place stuff in here, because if not, you can accidentally put it in that patch pocket in the back. I have my card case. I have my car keys. I have my hand sanitizer. I have my two Dunkin' lips. I probably need to take them out so I don't accidentally take them to work again. I have my lip products, my cuticle oil, my setting spray, my gum, and my mirror, and my hair clip. Everything that I have in my bag, and like I said, it zips perfectly. Like, y'all, when I tell you I love this hair bag, it's just like the perfect everyday size. It's not too big and it's not too small, because lately I have been into wearing, like, you know, like small medium bags. Like, I have big bags, but I've just been grabbing like my small cute bags. And y'all, I am in love with her. This hair bag, you probably can add like a little charm or something on the side. Do I have a charm? I don't have one that I could show you, but I'm sure I have to fix this some kind of way, because I know this is not supposed to stick out like that. Let me see. So there we go. So yeah, that looks a whole lot better. So now you can see the Louis Vuitton here, because this was blocking it at first. And like I mentioned before, these here you cannot get hot stamped because of the LV on the front. But yeah, y'all, I love this hair bag. This hair do come in monogram print if you are not a big fan of the Damier Ebene. And the only reason why I brought this here in damier ebene, because back when I first started the whole Louis Vuitton thing, I was into all monogram. So I did want to incorporate some damier ebene, because this here bag, if you get caught out in the rain, the snow or whatever, you ain't got nothing to worry about, because you are protected and you are safe, and you don't have to worry about nothing getting discolored or anything like that. Because my Louis Vuitton Speedy, it do have raindrops on it. You know, I had that bag for over 10 years, so that's like a vintage piece in my collection, because it's old but in a good way. So yeah. And then right there, I did bring her out. This here is the I don't know why I cannot think of the name of that bag, but this was the last bag that I purchased around my birthday. I think it was like 2 years ago, and that bag again I have had for going on 3 years. Price increase, yeah, I can't. I mean, even with the tax, I did pay over $2,000, but that's still a little better than paying a high $2,000. Like, this was like a low $2,000, if I'm making any sense, because with 1920, it depends on your tax, and you know where I live, my tax is only 6%. That's why I don't like to purchase Louis Vuitton at the Lenox Mall location, because I don't know, y'all, that tax down there is like 8 or 9%. So yeah. And then really quick, y'all, I don't know if you know, Huda came out with some lip stains, lip contour stains, and I have one on today, gloss on top, because she also came out with some lip oils to go on top. Now with these here, you do have to store them upside down, because if you can see the arrow, you cannot store these in your drawer. You have to store them upside down. So what I do is I store this here in my brush cup, and I just opened it today. If you do not store them upside down, they will not work. It'll seem like they dried out. So just keep that in mind. If you do purchase those lip contours by Huda, remember to store them upside down. And if you the other colors that I wanted, they were sold out, because when I was on vacation they had came out, and of course everybody and their mama bought them. So yeah, you all. Yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to get on here and share my Louis Vuitton Odeon PM. This is the bag that I decided to switch into, and I think I may share that every so often. Anytime I switch into a new bag, I'm thinking about just doing a video for you all, showing you what bag I'm carrying at the moment. So if you enjoyed this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Mwah.